All right. So let's get started. Okay. Can you see my face? Good. Okay. So just go over the agenda first, and then we will try to walk through the all the topics, right? And then as I go along, and then just make sure if you go too fast, slow me down. If you have questions, just let me know. Okay. Okay. So number one we need to talk about is the base strokes, the basic strokes. Right?
Yes.
We see okay on the camera? Okay, so the basic strokes, So we have not talked about this one yet, right? Basically we just have been working on the latex yesterday. Number two we will cover is we need to talk about drawing shape, right? We need to talk about that. So not only drawing on paper, but we will also talk about on the flat latex skin and also on the mannequin. Okay. So we will cover paper, latex, and the mannequin. Okay. The third one we will talk about is the basic pattern, Talk about some basic patterns. Okay. Alright, so basic patterns, and then we'll talk about pigments. Right, pigments or colors. Okay. Talk about numbing. We need to talk about pressure and bleeding, Okay, pressure, bleeding, and we also need to talk about stretching the skin, Stretching, that's right, Stretching the skin. We did yesterday, and then we need to talk about the number of passes. Right. And we haven't talked about the OPMU, OPMU or O tattoo. Right. We touched a little bit yesterday about ombre, right? Ombre shading. We touched a little bit. Right. So we will talk about that one, ombre or shading. And this one we need to cover on latex and also on our real model, We haven't talked about color retention yet, right? We haven't talked about that yet. Color retention, and we need to talk about post care, right? Touch up, right? We haven't do any touch up, and actually we haven't. You come in for touch up, right?
Mm-hmm.
What's your name?
Erica?
Erica, yeah. So we will have some touch up today. And then we need to talk about, this is 14. We need to talk about error correction. Right. And then some miscellaneous stuff. We need to talk about 15 here. We have like consultation. We need to talk about consultation. We need to talk about 16. Some other advanced patterns, Advanced patterns. Like S-curve, fractal, and so on. Okay, so that's a lot to cover. Any question so far? Pretty good, right? So as you can see, we have a lot to cover. So what I will do, I will post this one on the wall, and then we will go down one by one. And as we go down, we will just mark them off as we go. Okay. And as you can see, we have a lot to do. So we have total about 16. And any questions so far, or any topics if you remember or something come up, just raise and let me know, and then we'll work on them. Okay? Sounds good?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Amanda, can you stop the recording for me? And then we go to the next slide. Okay.